Igooti-inī ria kahawa kaunti-inī ya Nairobi nikuo afithaya aria ni ahonge itiganite kambuni-inī ya Kenya Power makinyitio magīkuruhanio na ihitia ria guthukangia ikengi cia thitima o hamwe na kwaga kuruta wira wao na njira iria yagirire undu uria wacungiririe thina wa thitima kiumia kihituku.
When 9 officials of Kenya Power were arraigned in court, spread across top management and drivers, from engineers to drivers, on allegations that they were doing some sabotage, either by failure to take action or by intentionally refusing, which has been construed to mean there was an economic sabotage linking them to either being members of terrorism or other members.
Wakiri maabithaya ni mareganite na thitango ici makiuga mwena wa thitango nduri na wira muiganu wa kuonanio nio macungiririe thina ucio undu uria maugite ni ugwati na makiria kuona maabithaya marekwirwo kurutithania wira na itoi.
Linking these Kenya Power outages to terrorism, the country is likely to suffer because the international community is likely to say now the war from Lamu, terrorism have struck the heart, the core, the energy sector of a country, and that might lead travel advisories against Kenya, that might lead economic sanctions against Kenya.
Mwena wa thitango kwendaga maabithaya mahingiro thero-ini kwa ihinda ria thiku 21 niguo kuhe mweke mihango ya uthuthuria inde mucirithania Boaz Ombwewa aheanite thiku 8 niguo thuthuria ucio kurorikitio.
I'm inclined to allow a detention, but not for 21 days, 8 days. Yes, 8 days. That should be sufficient for the IO or the investigating agency to conclude investigations. Primarily, the reason I'll dwell with is not necessarily the actual interference, but the likelihood is a reason for it's a compelling reason for denial of bond.
Maya magithiaga na mbere maabitha ruhonge rwa DCI akaunti ya Naikuru ni mambiririe miango ya uthuthuria wa gucarania na andu aria makoretwo makia cuma cia gutambia thitima iria ciumite mwena wa Olkaria nginyagia Kisumu undu uria ucungiririe thina wa thitima matura-ini matiganite mwena ucio.
These incidents are being investigated, and it is the effort of the government to hear that we get to the bottom of exactly what is happening. So you cannot rule out vandalism. You can also not rule out sabotage, but the government is on top.
Na kuo kaunti-ini ya Nyeri afitha a kambuni ya Kenya Power maugite ni magokorwo makirutithania wira na onjoria anini a kaunti iyo niguo kumatambiria thitima itemi-ini ria kugacirithia biashara ciao.
We have segmented our customers and we realize the growth area that we have is the small medium enterprises. That is the area that we can grow. So we are actually identifying and mapping them, engaging them, and also finding the better solution on how we can be able to give them supply. Once they make an application to us, we process it within a very short time because we have a service charter which stipulates how we are supposed to actually give them.
Gukinyiria riu mihango ya gucokia mutambo wa thitima uria wagwire kiumia kihituku irerikana ikinyite gicunje kia 75 hari igana. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Kate Muthoni.